I'm here at the airport in Sarajevo, and this is the way to go. Look, that's where I'm going now. I'm preparing to check in, and you see a bit more. Small but beautiful airport here in Sarajevo. Just to get outside there where the door is. Very simple to come with a taxi, 20 marks, 10 euros from the town center to come here to the airport. And the infrastructure very good, easy to get here, cheap to get here. I had a very beautiful, nice taxi driver, and it's beautiful, the town of Sarajevo, because all cultures live together in a beautiful and harmonious way. That is very, very, very nice. I like that a lot about Sarajevo. The taxi driver said Sarajevo is a bit like Jerusalem of Europe, because all the cultures live together, and I think that's a very beautiful thing. And as you can see here, happily together, all the cultures, and this is the way to go to Abu Dhabi. Look at this, you have the tutti free here at the Sarajevo airport. Tutti free. And then look what is happening here. You have a nice coffee bar restaurant, and the most spectacular thing is coming now. You go over here and look here what's happening here. Isn't that beautiful? In the snow. Check this out. That's our check-in, I guess. And here, look at that. That is amazing. Just beautiful. You know, I love airports. That's why I love to film. And look at that. Wow, so nice. It is a very simple airport here. Easy to